Hi guys, welcome back to Sew with Stephanie. My name is Stephanie Burwell, and today I'm going to be showing you how I make this accordion style face mask. Right, something like that. Extends out and has a nose bridge. To secure a tighter fit around your nose. I'm going to start with fabric cut out 15 wide by 8 inches high, and you're going to fold it facing each other. All right, you fold it once, right side's facing, and then I'm just going to sew along this edge. But key thing you want to do, if you want to make sure that you have space to add a filter, I'm going to measure down 3 and measure up 3. I don't know if you can see those marks there, but I marked 3 inches down and 3 inches up because that's where I'm going to stop my stitch, and then I'll show you the rest of the process. Okay, so as you can see, I made my stitch along the edge, and I stopped where I made my marks. As you can see, I put my finger through. That's where I'm going to turn the fabric in, and that's where you'll be able to slip in your filter. I'm using these PM 2.5 filters, so however you can slip them in, you can slip it in like that. So now what I'm going to do is, since it was sewn like this, I'm going to open it this way, iron it flat like this, iron that open, iron it flat, and then I'll show you how I insert the elastic strings. Okay, so I'm gonna take my elastic and measure out 9 inches, and you're gonna need 2 of those. So now that you have cut out your ear loops, so remember how we ironed this flat? So we're gonna turn it this way, and that's basically how the mask is gonna lay. So now we're gonna take the elastic, put it on the inside, and pin right here. I'm gonna use these crafters clips there. Pin one end to that end, and on the inside you're gonna pin the other end in to the other side like that. Okay, and then you're gonna do the same thing on the other side, and then you're gonna sew all the way down on both sides, and then you're gonna turn it inside out, and I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so I thought I recorded it, but I didn't. So I turned this inside out using this space that we created here. So basically, like, you're just gonna feed the fabric through the hole and keep pulling and pulling out. What I find helpful is using the strings to help pull it out. Then I ironed it flat, and now what I'm going to do is insert the nose bridge here. These things here, they're pretty cool because they have like an adhesive strip on the back, which makes it super easy to make sure that it stays in place. Amazon is where you can find these. Take that off there, sticky. And then I'm going to, if this is the part that's facing you, or that's gonna be touching your face, the sticky part would be on this side, the back side. So the rounded edge on the front of your mask. So you're just gonna feed that through here. And then bring it all the way to the top of the mask. So you can kind of tell that there's something there. And then I'm just gonna even it out. Like OCD, where I have to make sure that it's even on both sides of the nose bridge. And then I'm going to clip that in place just so that I know where it starts and stops when I'm sewing, just so I can know to be careful with my needle. Okay, so After you turned your fabric inside out and you added the nose bridge, you're going to create your folds that make it an accordion style where it expands out. So you're gonna need 4 measurements on each side of the fabric. From the bottom up, you're going to measure 1.5 inches. I don't know if you can see my marks, but you're gonna measure 1.5 inches. And then you're gonna measure 2 inches, mark it. Then from the 2 inches, then you're gonna go up 1 inch, and then you're gonna go up another 2 inches. So you make those 4 marks on both sides, and then we're gonna fold it like I'm gonna show you. You're gonna take it up, and then fold, and then bring that fold to your second marking and pin or clip the ends. So like this. See that? We folded that and we brought it up. And now we're gonna go to your third marking here and fold it up to your 4th and last marking. Okay, so now that we pinned our folds here, we are going to sew along the edging here. All right. And so a trick that I learned to getting as close as possible without breaking my needle is using a zipper foot. The reason why my needle would break is because I added the nose bridge here. So switching your presser foot to a zipper foot will help you get as close to the nose bridge as possible without breaking your needle. So I'm going to switch that, and then we're going to sew along the edging, and then you're done. So I'll show you the finished product when I'm done. Okay, so I sewed along the edge as I said, and I don't know if you can see. This is where the bend is. And now, there you go. There you have it. Quick, easy. This is the easiest mask I've ever made. I've made some that were a little bit like contoured, but this one literally took me like 30 minutes to make. Easiest face mask make ever. So I would suggest that you try it. If you have any suggestions or if you've tried it and it worked, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me comments. Subscribe to see the next video that I create. And I hope you were able to make your mask. Yeah, and I can't wait to see what you make. Thank you. Bye.